And then you stack 4 of them together. Stack 4 together, and then make 3 towers. And we'll put them on the blue one on the blue one right on the other side on the blue one. I'm going to show you it later. So we have our vet clinic all done. And it will look like this on the outside. This on the inside. Just put the little one thing with the bump in there. And now you can play with it. This is our vet clinic all finished. You can take a look at it. So this is a design I did for it. You can also do any type of design you want for it. So we are done this, and so we have this all done, and you can take a look at it. Okay, next video I am going to do the Elsa Sparkling Ice Castle, which you can buy online right now. It has 292 pieces, 6 to 12 years old. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day.